Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.2, Problem 4. This is Section 3.2, Problem 4. It says use the symbol less than, greater than, or equal to make a true statement. And we have two numbers to compare, 8.39 and 8.5. Now at a quick glance, the 8.39 looks larger. It has more digits, 39 looks 8.39, 8.5, but it's really the 8.5 that's larger. And the way you tell is you want to start from the leftmost digit and do a comparison of just those digits. They're both 8, so there's a tie. So we move over one digit to the right. Now I have a 3 and a 5. Well, clearly 5 is larger than 3, and at that point it makes 8.5 bigger. It doesn't matter that there's still stuff that comes after it in one of the numbers. The 5 is larger than the 3, so 8.5 is larger than 8.39. So the symbol we use will have the open end facing the larger value, facing the 8.5. So that's the symbol that makes the statement true.